In the grand tapestry of existence, amidst the ebb and flow of time, lies the profound truth. Our primary motivation shapes the trajectory of our lives. Welcome, dear friends, to the exploration of the secret to making life-changing decisions, a journey that delves into the depths of our innermost desires and aspirations. Imagine, if you will, a vast ocean stretching out before you, its azure depths teeming with boundless potential. It is within this vast expanse that we navigate the turbulent waters of decision-making, propelled by the currents of our primary motivation. For it is this driving force that ignites the spark of inspiration within us, guiding us towards our true purpose. As the revered legend once said, "The only way to do great work is to love what you do." These words, spoken with the wisdom of one who has walked the path of greatness, resonate with the timeless truth that our primary motivation lies in pursuing that which sets our souls on fire. But how do we unearth this hidden wellspring of motivation, you may ask? The answer lies in the depths of our heart's sacred chamber, where our deepest desires reside. It is here, in the sanctuary of our souls, that we find the key to unlocking our true potential. And yet, the journey towards self-discovery is not without its challenges. Along the way, we may find ourselves beset by doubt and fear, shackled by the chains of insecurity and uncertainty. But it is in these moments of adversity that our true strength is revealed. For it is through the crucible of struggle that we forge our resolve, emerging stronger and more resilient than ever before. So let us embrace the power of our primary motivation, dear friends. Let us harness its boundless energy to propel us towards our greatest aspirations. For in the pursuit of our dreams, we find not only fulfillment, but also the courage to confront our fears and overcome the obstacles that stand in our way. And so, as we chart our course through the vast expanse of life, let us remember that our primary motivation is the compass that guides us towards our true north. With every decision we make, let us choose the path that aligns with our deepest desires and aspirations, knowing that in doing so, we are one step closer to realizing our fullest potential. So let us dare to dream, to aspire, to strive, become the architects of our own destiny. For in the crucible of decision-making, we hold the power to shape our lives in accordance with our deepest desires and aspirations. And in that realization, we find the ultimate motivation to pursue our dreams with unwavering determination and fortitude.